So I have to test this driver board that came with the Hollywood Heat, which is game number 703. And the best way to test that completely is to use the QuickScan80. And I have my Pascal Janin designed. This is Rev 0 of the board, I guess. He's updated it since then. But this tests or allows you to see activation of all the solenoid, lamp, and sound signals via this board. Sound always comes off of this connector on the driver board. This connector drives some solenoids. These are cabinet connectors. These are playfield connectors. So let's boot the QuickScan80. And this is a CPU board that I've tested already. So 4561 is normal, including that jump from green to red for the IRQ signal. Now if I hold the credit button down with my simulated switch matrix here, it's going to, at the turn here, it'll put a -2 there, and now we are testing solenoid or just lamp circuits, I guess. The QuickScan80 goes a little slower than I'd like, but what are you going to do? We can certainly see that each of those circuits is working, and it just did the coin lockout solenoid up there too. Now if I hold down the button again, let's see what we get next. Is 3 is the sound selects. So it's doing a one's complement activation of each of the 4 sound signals, sound 1, 2, 4, and 8, and we can see those are operating correctly. And the next test of the QuickScan80 is test 4, which is solenoid test. Now this is it's a great test to do with the QuickScan80. And it tests all 9 of the solenoids. If you don't use the QuickScan80 and you've got an early System 80 CPU board, it doesn't pulse the coin lockout solenoids, which are solenoids 3, 4, and 7. You can see, I'm going to watch it one more time to make sure I'm seeing all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all of the solenoids. Now the next test, I'm pretty sure it would be display test, but oh, I take it back. It's testing the solenoids again. I've got dip switch 1 set to on. I think the next test would be display test, but that was not implemented with the QuickScan80 for System 80B displays. If I run it inside my Spider-Man with my Spider-Man MPU, then we'd be able to see display test. Bottom line on this driver board is that it is working 100%. It is a good clean driver board, so you'll be good to go once you get this driver and MPU board back into the game.